Guys, welcome to another video. Just ignore my brother randomly playing piano in the background. So today we are doing a very weird video. I'm not allowed to use my joystick to move around, and not allowed to use the fast travel points either. So the only way I can move around is by doing this. Oh, and also this. Just click on a resource. That's partly why I fired 2 of my slaves. Because yeah, they kind of get in the way in this challenge. So death. Now what? Hello. What do I do now? Hiya. Hiya. Oh, don't tell me they just killed the rabbit. I wanted to get over there. Mad. Death. Is there a resource up there? Can't tell. Need a fox to like go over there, and I might be able to move over to the deer place. There's a fox here. Golden VIP person, hello. This is a fox over here, good. Guess I can get a deer now. Die. Okay, went back a little bit. What? Why are you angry at me? Why are you angry at me? I'm very confused. Stop being angry at me. I'm doing a challenge. I need to kill. Where'd that deer just go? What? I hear them just moving. Don't want to go back there. Come on. Mad. Very mad. Just sit here and wait. Confused. Why are you mad at me? Let's think about why they're mad at me. Water. Yes. Oh, I can also do this. It'll take a long time though. Oh yeah, finally, we're back here. Advertising. I'm advertising. Here's resources here. More this way. exactly. They also deserve to die. This is mildly boring. Hello there. No, we didn't. I'm trying my hardest. What are you doing? Doing some tortoise. Cool. I can't get up there. Probably not, anyways.
Have I missed any events?
Yes.
Oh.
Maybe. I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. Cool.
Without any cuts.
No. Honestly, it's possible to travel all the way to the volcano and kill a level 52 god.
What?
Or to travel to the volcano, kill a level 52 god. That means my mission is success. No. No, I'm online.
So you're like offline.
No, I'm not.
Like offline. Like
I'm not. I'm in a server. It is full.
Go to the server.
No.
Please.
No.
Join.
I'm bored.
Join.
No.
Join.
Then I need to restart my challenge all over again.
Join.
Okay, fine.
Yay.
No, I clicked on my other friend.
Meet me at the 10T1 level 10T1 Tordo place.
I can't! I'm not allowed to use my joystick.
Oh.
Lol.
Fast travel.
No, I can't fast travel.
You're not using your joystick.
Yes, and I can't use fast travel either. I established that at the beginning of the video. You just made me restart my challenge all over again.
Kill.
What?
Kill, what are you doing?
But that's not what I'm doing.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm on your server. Oh no. Wait. Oh no, wait. Okay. You just made me restart my challenge. That's the only mythical I don't have. What is that thing even called? Don't just call it a fantasy manga thing. Find. It is called an exalted blazing wolf.
Yeah, I never wanted, but there's not that much into it.
Cool. I see a fox, but it's not letting me target it. Funny. Then fox. Ah yes, I'm pro-stratting this. I guess. I don't know. because sometimes if I click on like a resource but it's like across here, but I need to be very close, it just randomly go me into the water, and then I might be able to attack something, but yeah. We went that way somehow. Nothing really spawns over there. Unless backtrack. This way. Well, this way. We traveled up along here. I mean, I could get that way. Maybe? Just go away from one of the wolves that normally spawns there to come out here, yes. Okay. Come on, more spawn.
Why did they choose
Oh, oops.
quarter steps?
No, one of them is wildcat, one is creepers, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. But why?
Because they're OP, I guess. So what do you chat? It's kind of getting annoying. Yeah, one of them spawn in there. Sometimes they spawn like in that corner, but okay, one spawning further in here. Okay, one spawned over here. Okay, that's good. We shall sit and wait. Oh, and also advertise. I'm going to advertise. Because why not?
How's that advertising?
I don't know. Honestly. I don't think we can get over there. Hang on. Don't think it's possible.
Possible for what?
Unless a cougar spawns here, but I don't think we're close enough for them to spawn. Let's just do this again. Wait, hang on. Wait, I could just get back there. Oh, that wouldn't work. I did it. It can't. Let's slowly go backwards.
Why can't you freeze the boss? That would be too.
I know you can't freeze it. It's weird. Wouldn't make sense though.
I want to freeze the boss. That would be very cool. And the boss will be frozen forever. Peace.
Come on. Just spawn. Well, they both spawned near the outside. It is illegal. Die. One spawned all the way here, okay?
Oh, perfect timing.
Spawned here.
Timing.
Just gotta get the right angle to do this. Still not a good angle. It's gonna take a while. Wait, can we go forward by doing a celebrate?
Huh?
Oh no, we can't go forward. Confused.
You need your joystick.
Oh yeah. nothing spawning.
Oh, don't know nothing.
I'm confused. Nothing spawning. Bruh. Hurry up. Unless they spawned out there, but there's nothing to kill them because I'm all the way in here. Well, can't go forward, so might as well go backwards.
Has to be dead. Dead.
Wait, what?
Steady.
Huh? Oh no. Balls.
Oh, that's 50 moonstones.
Bruh. Wait, did I move slightly forward? No, we didn't.
Wait, can I join you?
Yeah, I can join me. I'm still in that room you made.
It's not 9 members. Even candidates food. Yeah.
Oh, and the guy.
Wait, if you're Dodman VIP, can you collect more? Wait, where are you, like?
I am. Wait. Hang on. Should we be able to? Oh yes, apparently this has been claimed. Okay, do this.
Wait, where are you?
There's somewhere. This looks like. That looks bad. I am. Yeah, I'll show you. I am here. Come to me, and if there's wolves like at the entrance, kill them. Cause they're causing me problems. Wait, does that count having outside assistance? Getting someone else to help you, does that count as help or Is this cheating Am I technically cheating? Well, let's just get the 10-minute chest, I guess.
Once I go wolf.
You're online now. How wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm bored, so I'm just gonna keep sitting. No, I'm not moving, I'm just going up a hill. In the weirdest way possible. Wait, do I hang on. Shush. Did I move? Did I go down at a slightly different angle? I think I did. I don't think I need your help. I just need this hill.
How do I get up this hill? What's next to me? Okay. Okay, I think I'm next to him.
Okay. I actually did not think about this. Casually just I don't know what I'm doing. Hi, man. Bruh. Wait, can I get to the bear place like this?
Yes!
Wait, yes, I can target them. Hiya.
Wait.
Cool. Want help?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Let's just do this. Oh, nice.
Another fish. It's just a fish.
Cool.
You killed it.
Wait, these are spawning over there. Wait. Hang on, can I? No, I can't target them. No, I'm trying to get over to that side because deer started spawning there, but I'm not close enough. So join me on this journey where we cannot use our joystick. Well, technically, you never have to use your joystick because you
Oh yeah.
you play on PC. So
I got 130
nice. I'm stuck now. Help me. Oh, I can go over here. No, someone's not that cheap, man. What did you think? Oh yeah. Down here. Same. I'm just bored. This. I killed something. What? Clap? What? Hang on. And then if I move... Shush. Hang on. I know how I can do it. I'm clapping. I'm not clapping. Hello. Nothing. No.
Stop.
Shush, I'm recording.
Yeet. I just killed a wolf.
Yeet.
Easy.
We're killing our own kind. Oh, you can queue for the thingy if you want. Healing beacon.
What? No, not queue.
Make up your mind, you want to queue or not? Bruh. Wait, let's try use this hill to our advantage. Let's try do this trick again.
It's important. We're trying to record. I'm dying. We're trying to record.
I'm recording, you're not.
I am.
Oh, nice. Are you gonna upload that later?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh wait, I can climb up here, lol.
Oh my god. Must use a big
I climbed up here. Yeah.
I don't need help. But
Yes, you do. You need a lot of help. Hang on. We just switch these around. I'm doing my best spam at the moment. Oh, what? Yeet. Wait, I think I'm at the exact right angle now. Hang on. Shush. You don't question me. Don't question me. I'm not going to swim. Very simple. Why are you doing this now? Stop that. Your clicking noises are annoying. I'm bored, so we're just gonna do this.
What's going on?
I don't know. Hey, stop looking at us. Illegal.
Fix.
Don't swear.
Your games in the world are not good. What? How?
Oh, okay, I need to It's not working anymore.
That's Cali.
Yes! This is what I wanted. Yes! We've crossed the river. We have crossed the river. Yes. I can't believe we actually did that. My aim is to get to the volcano. And that is all I want to do.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Get resource.
I need to get a good angle. Hang on.
I need you.
Hang on.
To get good angle.
No, I need to do this and then I can't get a good angle.
Wait, you guys don't love it.
Advertising.
Don't advertise it.
I don't care.
Sorry, I need to say if I have it. Oh, I do. That's why I replaced it with.
I may have just gotten myself stuck. Oof.
No. Where do you go?
Here.
Where
Behind
did
you.
Go?
Behind you! Duh.
Don't see. Where?
Oh, I need to come back. Hang on.
Oh, I see you. 3, 4, G. I want to advertise.
Advertise then.
Advertise. Die, stupid gay. It's dead. 100%. Yeah, it's dead. Advertise.
Quiet.
Wait, you know what? I have an idea. Don't advertise too much.
Nice.
What's this? No, it's down. Hey, where did Stick go? Annie, what's new avatar?
But that did nothing.
Can I explode?
You're not even advertising at this point.
Avatar. Oh, there's one. You were trying to be the root of another door, and well, but I still killed the door.
Cool. Think I care. I killed it for you.
Right. What's it?
See mouse a bit for this because I keep clicking my health bar. This is very slow. I might bump into a tree. Yeah, I'm gonna bump into a tree, so wait, hold on. I may have figured a way to steer. Or did I? No, I didn't. I'm gonna bump into a tree. Maybe.
No, you didn't.
Oh lol.
You didn't.
Am I slightly going the way I want to? I don't know actually.
Skinny.
What? I'm skinny.
Yeah, skinny.
What? I'm skinny?
Yeah.
Are you offending me?
Because you're fat.
What? Be quiet or I will not record with you anymore.
Oh! Can they step in water?
Yes, they can.
So.
They just did.
Hey.
Don't kill the brown one! Man, don't. Man. You're messing this up for me.
And then, what's he something?
No.
Your viewers have to see this.
See what?
But also advertising at the same time. Ready? Am I on your screen?
Yes. Cool.
What are you doing?
Going backwards, lol.
You're the one from the
I'm pushing my slave into the river.
What?
It's still working, be like, oh, it doesn't work anymore. Wait,
You can.
can you target?
Yeah, I did. Okay, wait.
Wait, can you attract a deer and bring it over here? Does that count as help? Why can I not? Oh, I forgot. I can't cast spells when I'm in the water. Oh no.
You might.
Wait.
Wait. You can.
Can't emote in water. I can't. I can't use my abilities.
I can.
Oh god.
In water.
Okay, well, can you bring a deer over here or something?
Hey, dear. Go on me, Dick.
Man.
Might die.
Okay, cool.
Hey, dear, Tom.
Get it to attack me, I guess. I can't. None of my attacks are working. Sorry.
It's in the water.
Oh no. I forgot about this. I may have just gotten ourselves stuck. Well, that's the end of this, I guess.
No, it isn't. I didn't. Give me a hand.
What? Here, take my hand.
Wait,
I have a hand. Here, I'm touching your hand.
Wait, can you? You can use abilities from here.
What?
Right here.
I can't, though. I can't move, man. There's no way I can move. Shall I just restart?
Yee! Die!
Ag. Well, I guess it's the end for now. Maybe.
Advertise.
I can't advertise. Stop advertising, man. Shut up. This is the end of the video for now, I guess.